Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show how to create a mockup on a coffee mug. If you follow this video, you will master the mockup process in just a few minutes and you will be able to create mockups on anything you like. Alright, let's start. At first I will select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle on the front. Okay, we have the rectangle here. Now right click on the layer and convert to smart object. So now I have the smart object here. Press Alt and T on the keyboard to get free transform. Right click in the middle and select warp. Now warp it according to the shape. Decrease the opacity to make it transparent so that the edges are clearly visible. Okay, warp it nicely. I'll fast forward here to make the video shorter. Alright, looks good. Increase the opacity again, click OK. Right click on the thumbnail and click Select Pixels. Now put this layer inside a group. And on this group layer, add a layer mask. Now select this layer and double click on the smart object. A new window will open. Drag your design onto the smart object, resize it. Click OK and close the window. Click Yes. Now the pattern is on the mug, but we can see the pattern is not blending properly. Keep this layer selected and click on Add a Layer Style and go to Blending Options. Here, hold Alt on the keyboard and drag the slider to blend it slightly. And change the blend mode. I think multiply is good here. Now click OK. Our mockup is done, but you see the edge is not blended properly. We can see a clear line here. If this happens, go to the layer mask and pick the burn tool. Bring the exposure a little bit down. Rub here slightly. I think it's pretty good. If you want some color adjustment, you can do so. Let's use the curves tool here to adjust the tone. It looks good. Now you can save this PSD, and next time if you want to change the design, just double click on the smart object and drag your new design onto it. Resize it and close the window. In case you want to change the color tone, you can always go back to curves and do the adjustment. Or you can double click on this blending icon and adjust the slider. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.